Explorers of the unknown, welcome back. Let's expand our horizons with today's question.
Cough syrup suppresses coughing by tackling the cough reflex in the brain. Most over-the-counter cough syrups contain dextromethorphan, DM, an active ingredient that acts on the cough center in the brain to reduce the urge to cough. Expectorants like guaifenesin are another common component, which work by thinning mucus, making it easier to cough up. Thus, cough syrups can provide relief by calming the cough reflex and facilitating the expulsion of mucus, offering a dual approach to managing symptoms.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.